Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this video because I have partnered with the company Teckwrap Craft for a Thanksgiving giveaway for my YouTube audience. Teckwrap has really fun and unique vinyl and heat transfer vinyl. I craft with it all the time on my YouTube channel. I can actually leave a link for my playlist of all my Teckwrap projects that I've made. There will be 3 giveaway winners, and you can choose between a vinyl package of 10 rolls of Christmas colors, and I will leave a picture here on the screen. Or you can choose a package of their newly released Pearl Adhesive Vinyl. I just did a video on this. I'll put a picture here on the screen as well, and I can leave a link down below for that video. Also, I have the Pearl Adhesive Vinyl rolled up here. It's so pretty. It's glitter and shimmery, so really fun. You can choose between this or the Christmas roll. To enter this giveaway, you need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel as well as Teckwrap's YouTube channel. I can leave their name on the screen here, and I can also link their YouTube channel down below. And also, you need to leave a comment on this video and just let us know what you plan to make with this vinyl if you win it, or if you don't have any ideas, let us know what your favorite Cricut project you ever made was. I think that's just super fun to hear what everybody's making with their Cricut machines. The giveaway starts today, which is November 18th, and it will end on Thanksgiving Day, which is November 23rd. On Thanksgiving, I will just choose at random 3 winners, and I will comment and let you know if you've won. I'll just give you my email address where you can contact me at. And I am just so excited for this giveaway. It's just so nice to give back over Thanksgiving, and I just want you all to know that I just truly appreciate you watching my videos, liking, subscribing. It just means the world to me.